Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our company. This is Zhendi New Material Technology Company, and I'm Annie. Today, we will introduce our factory. Now, you can see the outside of our factory. It's very big. You can see this is our factory. It's very long, the factory, about 150 meters long. Zhendi New Material Technology Company. Okay, now follow me. Come in our factory inside and visit our production line. Okay. Okay, follow me. Now we have three parts. This is our finished product part, and that is our production line, and this is our raw material part area. Okay, follow me. Follow me. Now we are working. Our factory is very, very big. Okay. Okay, follow me. From here, you can see this is our raw material. This is a polyurethane resin tank. You can see we have many stock raw material. From the raw material, you can see that we have many clients. Okay. And this is a polyurethane, the resin tank. Okay. Then very many stock. We are powerful factory, and so we can deliver very fast. The resin tank. Okay, follow me. And then this is our chop. This is our mite raw material. This is our PET foam. The foam, we have many different foam, like embossed film and flat film. And then you can hear also has many polyurethane stock, many stock raw material. Okay. Here, follow me. From here, you can see our Taishan fiberglass chopper straight mite. Here you can see we use the very high raw material. The number one, the most popular raw material brand in China is Taishan fiberglass chop straight mite. This is 300. Okay, many stock of raw material. Okay, and yes, the film and the mite and the chop straight mite. This is our raw material area. We have many stock for the orders, and we have many clients. Okay. 有人看吗? Okay, follow me. Now, let's come to the production line. we have 3 production lines. In this roof factory, we have 2 lines. The max width is up to 1.5 millimeters. This is raw material, top strate mite. Here we use Taishan brand top strate mite. In this factory, we have 2 production lines. Now, this production line is unworking. Okay, follow me. Let's see how to the roof sheet, how to make. You can hear. This is the top strate. Here. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is our top strate mite. It's unworking. This is our top strate Taishan brand. It's unworking. And this is PT film. And the resin. Now it's on resin. Okay. Let's go on. On here, you can see the resin and the top strate mite come together. And the film. I think this sheet is thick. Okay, follow me. Let's go on. Let's go on. You can see our line is very long, so we can see the lines could be customers as you need. And from here, the top strate and the resin come together and make is even. Okay, let's go. Also, this is the film. Look at here. It's very smooth. Then we make the front film. So the front and the back also has a film. It's very clear and very smooth. Even no bubble. You can hear from this. They come together very well. Okay, then follow me. Now, this flame is our oven. It's our oven. It's very, very long. So the lines, they could be customers as you need. And from here, you can see many profiles. We could the perfumes at your requirement. Any perfumes is available. Here the customer's film. Okay, from here you can see. From here you can see the flight sheet. Now it has profiles. So this is profiles. It's very clear, the sheet. That is our oven. It's very, very long. The sheet is very clear. Okay, follow me. Let's go on. And From here, you can see the sheet is come on. Okay, you can see the sheet is very flat. Our products has high quality. It is no bubble and no other. It's very even. Okay. Now let's go on. This one makes the sheet very flat. From here, you can see our sheet has been finished. Here, it's very nice and very clear. You may ask today how long we do. Now let's find the answer. For this part, we cut the sheet into pieces. Oh, you can see here. Now the sheet is come outside. Oh, sheet is very, very long. Okay, follow me. We cut the sheet into pieces. This is our finished product. It's very clear and beautiful. From here, you can see the sheet is very, very long. The roof sheet is very, very long. I think the length maybe more than 12 millimeters. Let's see a detail. Okay, here it's very flexible. Yes, flexible and very clear. Here, very clear. Yeah, and flexible. It's very good. Okay, this is products. How we produce our roof sheet. 哦，是吗？太巧了。Okay, let's go on. From here you can see our factory. Our factory is very, very big. From this area, yeah, it's very, very big. This area is our finished product. We have a large product. Okay, now you can see this is our finished products. This roof sheet is very long. The sheet we customers as our class need, so the profile and we can produce as you need. Now you can see the sheet is very clear and very beautiful. Any loss is available. This roof sheet is very, very long. If for the 40 feet container, the max length is 12 meters. So we advise the largest length is 12 meters. Okay, follow me. You can see the finished product. Bernani. Our factory, Zhendi New Material Technology, in our factory is near Tianjin and Tianjin Seaport and Beijing. So we have short delivery time. And our company engaged in roof sheet and in both FRP sheet. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. And this is our roof sheet per factory, and also we have another factory is FRP flat sheet for the truck bodies and for the cabins. So if you are interested in our products, please feel free to comment below, and please feel free to contact us. We have many roll stocks, and we have our factory is very big, so we have short delivery time, and our factory near Beijing and Tianjin, so we can deliver to the seaport very fast. Okay, and 再说一说吧，再说10分钟。再说10几。Okay. We have a very big factory and a very many stock. You can hear our factory is very, very, very big. And this is our roof sheet factory. This is our finished product. This product is waiting for delivery to our client. Our product export many countries like Russia, like Korea, and UK. And so, if you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us, and we can customize the profiles. Thank you for watching our live. See you next time, and welcome to visit our factory. Goodbye.